Discover the dreamlike wonders of Indonesia. Have you ever wondered what it's like to travel to a land that feels like it's straight out of a dream? Imagine lush jungles, mystical volcanoes, and vibrant cultures all around you. Welcome to Indonesia, a realm where every corner promises hidden wonders and adventure for the curious explorer. Indonesia's landscapes are a vivid tapestry of contrasts, from serene beaches to dense jungles. Dive into hidden coves of Belitung Island, where turquoise waters meet granite rocks and white sands. Or trek through the mystical forests surrounding active volcanoes and discover nature's raw power in the iconic Mount Bromo. Take a step back in time amidst the spiritual grandeur of Borobudur and Prambanan temples. These awe-inspiring edifices speak of ancient empires and spiritual devotion. As the steaming mists envelop you, let the intricate stone carvings and statues whisper the tales of centuries past. Indonesia's cultural fabric is a rich mosaic woven with over 700 languages and countless traditions. Yogyakarta, a vibrant cultural heart, offers a glimpse into Indonesia's soul. From royal palaces to the haunting sounds of gamelan music, it's a city where traditions thrive amidst modernity. Experience the bustling energy in Jakarta, a city of dynamic contrasts. Skyscrapers share spaces with colonial-era relics, offering a vibrant blend of past and present. Explore historic sites like Kota Tua and feel the pulse of modern festivals that enliven the cityscape. Bali, known as the Island of the Gods, entices with its lush rice terraces and vibrant traditions. Discover perfect harmony in the Subak irrigation systems or soak up the serenity of Ubud's sacred monkey forest. Bali's unique blend of spirituality and natural beauty is an artist's dream come true. Venture beyond the known to the untouched edges of Raja Ampat or the peaceful Gili Islands. Dive into crystal-clear waters, explore coral reefs, and unwind in tranquil surroundings away from the crowds. Here, every experience becomes a passage into a more intimate connection with Indonesia. Indonesia's spice-rich culinary heritage is legendary. Savor dishes like nasi goreng, born from a history of trade that weaves through every bite. Every meal is a journey into a past where the fragrant spices of the Maluku Islands once shaped the world's flavors. Your dream adventure awaits amidst Indonesia's wonders. Step into a world where every landscape and culture captivates the spirit. Embark on this extraordinary journey and let the marvels of Indonesia transform your travel dreams into unforgettable memories. Pack your bags. The adventure of a lifetime is only a journey away.